Yoruba has declared war on us. If the sacred scroll is not returned, Oba Erisroth will fall on us!
The next king was to come from our family. Another is to rule after us. A final bloodline. A permanent one.
Please tell us he'll be well.
He must be well.
This is a very strange illness.
Let the boy bear his fate.
What has he done to deserve such harsh treatment?
Taari!
He who opens the door to the secret chamber and drinks the elixir from the pot of life is the one. His bloodline will rule forever.
Go and open that door if you can.
Laila!
What have you done, Adi?
Mibami.
Not yet.
Oh, I shall be king.
Something grows inside me and I don't even understand my body anymore.
The only person I see is you, my prince.
Take it! Search for them. Go through all the villages. Search for them. Take all the men that you need with you. This is king. Enough!
Walk away now and I will spare your life.
His kingdom is not even aware of his
The
death.
throne is mine.
How do you intend to get away with this?
This matter has been decided.
This scroll goes nowhere.
If I must die, I will go down fighting.